Well, hello guys. We're trading the NQ with a Topstep 50k account. At the minute we have a maximum of two contracts. That's all we're allowed to use. We're watching 30-second chart and the 15-second chart. 15-second chart is in Akinashi candles. We've got parabolic SARS, stop and reverse dots, which we use as we see the market, tracking them down, tracking the latest parabolic dot on multi-timed charts. So that's what we look at. Got the Bollinger Band, the yellow lines, and we've got price action, support and resistance lines, the red one. Might sound complicated, but when you watch the market long enough, you find some indicators or something on your chart that equals a positive trade. So that's where we are with this one. We're using a scalping method. This is for anybody that's learning. We're going to be putting a sell on and see where we end up. Entering a sell at 25,804.
Order filled.
Stop loss behind the new parabolic on the 30-second. And we'll see if the market can come down, hit the red line. See if we can keep the blue lines going downwards. Yes, it's moving nicely. Gonna lock some profit in. See if it'll keep going to the bottom red line, which is the support and resistance line.
Order filled.
So it had a pullback. It hit the EMA 90 on the 30-second chart. Had a little bounce off. No big deal. We're up. We've done this technique a few times today. We're up $420. Trading the NQ. It's about £20 a point. It's no big deal. It's recognising price action. Do you want to put a big deposit on and trade over a longer period, or do you want to scalp like we do? Getting in and out of the market, finding turning points. And that's what we're looking at. So I can put the one chart on. You can see it's in a band, upward band from the high. It's come down there, and now it's moved into another channel, an upturning channel. And besides having an idea where it's going, does it bounce 3 times in the channel? Usually it does. It hasn't hit the bottom channel yet. So is it going to come back down for a little bit more? Let's check out the 15. We also can put the Akinashi candles on, because that can give us like the one in the middle here, this uptrend. It keeps us the same coloured candles without changing colour to allow us to stay in the trend. And that's what we try to capture, is a downtrend. So when we put a sell on a short while ago, we had nice blue candles. Unfortunately, it didn't come right down to the bottom where we expect it to, 25,798. It had a pullback, and that's okay, but it probably will go now. Probably will move down, so we could put another sell to come down.
Order filled.
There we go. It's only short, but the market hasn't opened yet. This market's still got another 30 minutes to go yet. We'll see what happens. See if we can get a move down there. So if you're not sure what's happening with Akinashi, we can put proper candles on for you. There we go. See what happens. See if it can move down. Stop loss is at 108. 25,805. It's almost there. Breaks a bit more. It's almost there. Come on, down a bit more. This is it. This is it.
Order
And
filled.
there we go. We're out. So that's channeling. Price action in a band. Movement's very small today before the US market opens. I'll put the Akinashi candles back on. This is a 15-minute chart we're looking at. As you can see, doesn't really matter what short-term candles, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You get an idea of where the market's going. What you look at is finding something on the Akinashi that brings out the candles into a nice colour. Putting the 1 minute on. The 1 minute is not as clear for this channel. It's come down, gone back up, down, back up, and down again. It's okay. But let's look at the 30. Seems a little bit clear on the 30. There we go. So these are the things you need. You need the EMA 90 because generally on these short-term charts, the price action doesn't move away from the EMA quite far. So when you get a really good move away, you can generally enter the trade back to the EMA. That's just another indicator that gives you an idea where price is. Whatever, just another alternative. And then we have the Bollinger Band that generally the price always stays in the Bollinger Band unless it's breaking out into a trend. So we've had this channel, uptrending channel, then it's going to break down and eventually it'll turn around, give us opposite coloured candles, hit the parabolic dot. The parabolic dot will follow these candles down. It'll turn and then generally we can get a buy back on up to the top, somewhere up near the start of the channel again. But you have to wait and be patient. I probably won't even trade again now till the market opens. But we've had some good trading. It's not been great, as in price action, but 2 contracts, £40 a point. You can make enough money. So we've only made like 10, 11 points, but so what? We're in the green. This is a Topstep account that we opened yesterday, and let's have a look at performance. It doesn't matter what performance is. If it's green, it's green. So yesterday $900. Today 482 and the market hasn't opened yet. So if we can get another 8, if we can get up to $800 or $900 today, we'll be happy with that. No point in being greedy. Profit factor 2.3 and trade wins is 91%. So if it's a win, it's a win. It doesn't matter whether we're scalping or long-term trading. Is where's your last 100 trades? Are you making money or losing money? How big's your bank account? I like proper accounts. I think they're great. This is a 50k express funded with Topstep. The company's great. It's got a few rules in there. No big deal. If you get $800-900 a day to take your first payout after a week, there's nothing wrong with that. So anyway, I hope this has helped today. This is a Topstep X platform, Project X it's called, and you can get this on a few different companies, but it's nice and easy to use. There's all you need in here. It's accurate, seems to work very well. So there we go. I hope that helps for you. I'm going to put a few more videos out in the future, because I was talking to a lot of people this weekend, and people are doing gambling and all sorts of stuff, online gambling and just stuff. People need their fix, they need their adrenaline rush, whatever you call it. They don't go to pub anymore and get popped up. So they need to do something. They might have problems. They can't go to work. They can't get a job. They may be stuck at home. But this is a great way of finding that fix, finding that adrenaline rush when you're trading, $300 or $400 in 2 or 3 minutes to make whatever you're making. It can be adrenaline fix. Some people don't care about money; they just care about getting their correct trade at the right place, right time, and collecting the money. They're not bothered. They just want to be right. Well, as much as we want to be right, sometimes we're wrong. So, but I'm going to put a few more videos out to help you scalp, to help you get some more green days. And I hope this helps for you guys. Anyway, okay, thank you.